Hi, my name is Elise. I've been working at Whole Being Massage and I've been doing massage for 12 years now. And I specialize in sports massage, deep tissue, and Thai bodywork. I went to Thailand to study Thai massage and learn the traditional style done on the mat. Thai bodywork is a little different than your run-of-the-mill massage, or Swedish as we call it. It's done traditionally on the mat, and we use our hands, feet, and full body weight pressure to achieve what we're looking for, which is reducing tension, stress, and muscle soreness. And so it's really great for our athletes that have a lot of muscle tension as well. And it's also really great for anyone who's really trying to de-stress, because it's essentially a yoga session, but someone's helping you through it. You know, the best thing about giving body work is that after we're done with the session, seeing the big sigh of relief on someone's face and like knowing that they came in and they were dealing with something and we worked together to help and they're feeling some relief.